mockvox. Text-to-speech AI has just been released, and if you're looking to dive into the latest in AI-driven voice synthesis, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. In this video, we'll break down everything that matters about mockvox and why it could be the best choice for your text-to-speech needs. Stick around till the end. There's something special I'll share with you that could change the way you use AI in your daily tasks. Let's start with the basics. mockvox has quickly become one of the top contenders in the text-to-speech AI software space. Unlike some older software that struggles with natural-sounding speech, mockvox has really nailed it with its high-quality voice generation. The voices it creates sound incredibly realistic, which is great for anyone using AI for projects like audiobooks, podcasts, or even corporate training videos. One of the standout features is how customizable the voices are. You can tweak pitch, speed, and even the tone of the voice to match the mood or style you're going for. Whether you need a formal professional tone or a more casual friendly vibe, mockvox delivers with incredible precision. For anyone in digital marketing or content creation, this is huge. The ability to fine-tune a voice that matches your brand's identity could save you time and energy, eliminating the need for voice actors in some cases. But let's talk about the real game changer, the AI's learning capabilities. mockvox uses advanced machine learning models that allow it to continuously improve over time. This means that as you use it, the software becomes better at predicting the best voice settings and delivering even more accurate and contextually appropriate speech. The more you use it, the more it adapts to your needs. Another feature worth mentioning is the ease of use. mockvox comes with a clean, intuitive interface that makes getting started a breeze. Even if you're a complete beginner when it comes to text-to-speech software, you'll find it user-friendly and simple to navigate. You don't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of this AI. Next up is the integration options. For people working with video or audio content, mockvox can be easily integrated into other platforms. You can directly export speech to your video editing software or audio platforms without hassle. This is an essential feature for content creators, marketers, or anyone producing multimedia regularly. A great benefit here is that mockvox offers various languages and accents. If you're targeting an international audience or looking to localize your content, you'll appreciate the diversity of options available. Whether you need English, Spanish, German, or more, mockvox supports a range of languages with native-like pronunciation, which is rare to find in many text-to-speech AI systems. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, pricing. A lot of AI software comes with a hefty price tag, but mockvox offers a free trial. That's right, you can try it out without spending a dime. This is a fantastic way to see if the software meets your needs before committing. And if you're someone who's just getting started with text-to-speech AI, this is a risk-free way to experiment and learn how to use the tool effectively. Lastly, mockvox isn't just about creating realistic voices, it's about enhancing productivity. Whether you're working in marketing, content creation, or customer service, this tool can help you save time by automating the process of generating voiceovers, eliminating the need for manual voice recording. Imagine how much more efficient you could be if this was part of your workflow. To sum it up, mockvox. Text-to-speech AI is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create high-quality, natural-sounding voices. From customization to integration, this software delivers on multiple fronts, and the fact that you can try it for free makes it even more compelling. Before you go, check out the recommended AI software list in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I stand behind. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.